Yo, what's up guys? Just want to let you know about our new invention.
Slow and steady versus fast.
What's up guys? It's Sarah X. If you're new here, I'm Sarah, I'm 24 years old. I currently live in San Francisco and welcome to another week in my life. So I just got the second COVID shot this morning and I've been hearing a lot of mixed results of my friends getting the second shot and how they've reacted to it. I've heard somebody said they woke up with a fever at 5 a.m. Their arm felt like the Harry Potter scar. Someone said their skin was on fire. Someone said that they felt like they're moving in slow motion. So I'm very curious to see how my body is going to react to this vaccine, and I will keep you guys updated. I'm hoping that somehow I'm superhuman and I'll have no symptoms. Also, I would like to acknowledge that my room is indeed a hot mess right now, but I'm in the process of moving, so that is why. About to go to a dinner at Patrick's house. Basically, him and Brendan are making Thai food, and so some of us are gonna go and eat it because that's what we do best. It has been, oh shoot, it's been 10 hours. What? Has it really been? Okay, so it's been 10 hours since my second dose. I have yet to feel any symptoms. My arm is definitely a bit sore when I lift it up.
I've never seen someone do that.
Ooh,
I usually see people like pick the water up with their hands and then tap. I have no idea.
No, I've seen
but I feel like this will also work.
I've seen people dunk it in.
Okay.
I believe you, dude. I can tell by your technique. Okay, I'm gonna do it.
Okay, so we have cucumber here. We have just
These
some
are
lettuce.
the weirdest things ever. They like literally feel like laminate.
Yeah, it looks
We
like
have some lettuce. We got mint. So you throw some mint in there. We have cilantro. So if you don't like cilantro, avoid that cilantro.
Who's in
Is there basil? Is that basil?
Some people think it tastes like
grass or something.
soap.
Oh,
It tastes like soap to some people.
I
This
get
is
that
I
actually.
see that,
I
yeah.
get that. You probably have the gene for it.
used to.
Maybe you like soap.
My mom's
Yeah,
like,
exactly.
my mom's
never
like
thought about it
allergic
that
to
way.
avocado, but she still eats it. She's like,
So you would like
yeah,
soap?
it's fine.
And then here's jalapeno. If you want some of that, put it in there.
Ooh, is that gonna be
Wait,
really
pronounce
spicy?
that again.
Jalapeno. Jalapeno. And then I guess roll it up and
I think you put a
God, it's
lot
all
in
sticking
there.
together.
Yeah, this is gonna be a big...
No,
Wait.
that's gonna be good.
I'm gonna.
What?
God, look how. Nope, I don't think I put a lot. I think I put just the right amount.
Wow.
Oh.
The problem is that
nice.
it's sticking to the wood board. I don't know why.
Is this mint or basil?
Alright, this is gonna be the one.
You know, it's not fair. They're making small ones.
I know,
Anyone
mine
can
are
make a
really
small
small.
The goal is to fit as much in there as possible and have it still wrapped around.
Okay, so I was borrowing Peter's guitar and I accidentally broke their capo, which if you don't know what a capo is, it's like this thing. So I just bought some new ones and these were like $8 and look how glorious it is. It has like a wooden vibe and it came with guitar picks, which honestly I never use guitar picks. I just use my nails, but it also came with like 5 multicolored picks, so that was definitely a steal. So today is Saturday. I'm gonna go biking with Karen and Martin and I think we're gonna bike to Golden Gate Bridge, so I'm super excited. It's like a pretty long bike ride. It's pretty sunny outside right now and I might get hot in this, to be honest, but I have a t-shirt under and it's kind of hard to film while I'm biking just because my bike is a road bike and it's kind of hard for me to ride because it's super tall, but I'll try to get as much footage as possible. I'm getting kind of sad that it's my last couple of weeks here, I'm not gonna lie. I've been having a lot of fun recently, like kind of over everything and just having a good time, and now I'm kind of sad that I'm leaving, but whatever, it'll be fine. Martin.
Wait, that's not my dream bike. I can't see what I'm recording.
Food stop. Got some food and now we're chilling because I didn't eat, so now I'm dying. Oh,
What we got
yummy.
here?
Some seafood.
No.
Mark just dropped. Oh, I think we got the same thing, right?
Fish and chips.
Fish and chips. Fresh from there. Walking up this hill because it's way too steep to bike. But Karen just went ahead. Karen and Martin are both biking somehow. Check out Alcatraz in the back. Up, check it out. My favorite part, honestly, look at these houses. Woo. So I just went to my cousin's house in Fremont and we made dumplings from scratch, which was actually super fun. I filmed a little bit of the process. Basically, we made the dough from scratch, then you kind of roll out the dough and make it all flat and circular, and then you make the mix, which we put a bunch of shrimp and like just meat and greens in there, and then you kind of wrap it and just boil it, and they were super good. And I haven't seen my cousins in a while, so I just had to go reunite with them before I leave to San Diego. You just drop it in.
3, 4, 5, 6.
How do you know when it's ready?
It's a spawning, right? So
You just kind of play around with
it's
it?
10, 14.
And now here's the thing. It's National Cheeseball Day. If you know my friends, one friend in particular, Peter, he loves cheese balls. So Peter, Patrick, and I decided to throw a cheese ball party. It's not really a party, it's more like a classy get-together involving a lot of actual cheese and cheese balls. So we're gonna see what the situation with that is, because I honestly have no idea what's going on. Just got back from the cousin's house, so let's see. Let's just see what's happening. When you host a cheese ball party,
Again. Oh!
bounce off 2 walls and eat the grape. Ready?
That was almost it. He's got it. Alright, let me see if I can. Okay, I'm gonna do this again.
Okay,
Do it,
Nahal.
Nahal, do it. What is that, a grape?
Oh my god.
Hey, why don't we play? Dude, the herding game. Alright, so I'm going to 2-6. Yeah. Okay, who wants to be my opponent?
Me.
Okay, so, and if any of them get lost, you lose.
And if you punch any, -1.
Okay?
Cheese ball! Cheese ball! Wow, you're taking 2 different strategies. I like this.
Oh,
Okay, remember, they all gotta be inside the square. Okay, Sarah's brought them all over. Oh my god, this is gonna be a close one.
Wait,
This
hold up.
is really edgy.
Hold up.
Oh my god.
Hold up.
Babe is so close.
No,
Sarah's
it's not.
one's gonna, oh, she has a loose one. She has a loose one.
No, I'm winning. I'm winning.
Sarah, she won by 1 second.
I did crunch one right
Can we
now.
watch the video replay? I need a challenge. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go!
Woo! Patrick is super close.
There's one. Oh!
Oh, whoa.
have 2 sides here.
Dude, I was a janitor in high school. I'm not joking. We went to the same high school. I was at my local church. I was a janitor. I paid $60 an hour.
Cheeseball. Wow,
Slow and steady versus fast.
It really looks like it's gonna be Dave. He has to pick it up.
It really looks like, yeah, it's definitely gonna be David. And David wins. That was so good. What's up, guys? It's Sunday, and our friend Andrew's birthday is today, and he's gonna host a Hawaiian barbecue on our rooftop. So I am currently dressed. You know, this is the best Hawaiian I can do. Wow. Happy birthday, Andrew. I love the pineapple. Wow.
So I can just go ahead and maybe a little bit more strawberries.
Oh my god, we got the spinach?
Ooh. I got spinach, different, pretty healthy.
It's very wholesome.
What's up?
Vlogging.
What's up, guys?
Yo, what's up? It's Peter. What is that? Oh shoot.
That's my smoothie.
Oh my god.
Whoa, it's sizzled. Whoa.
How is it?
It's really good.
Wait, let me see.
It's really, really good. It tastes like juice.
Did we just discover something?
Yeah. This is amazing.
Guys, I'm drinking a cantaloupe smoothie.
With the wine.
Woo! Oh, it actually has alcohol in it. Whoa, okay.
Watch us pour it in. Hold on.
Oh my god, what are you guys mixing?
Yo, what's up, guys? Just want to let you know about our new invention. Some green kale smoothie with biscotti.
What do you think the secret ingredient is?
Love.
Buzz, try it.
Everything goes so fast.
Let me know what the secret ingredient is.
You don't have like say pineapple. Your job right now.
Anusha's up to no good.
Wait, Sarah, let me know when you want us to cheers.
Okay, ready? Cheers now.
Okay.
Cheers. Oh, so cute.
Wait, say like that?
We're at Ocean Beach right now. It's a lot colder than we thought it was gonna be because it was warmer here. But we're gonna play some spikeball and hopefully. Oh wait, the sun just came out.
How good you are is directly proportional to how many times you roll out your pants. Okay.
Whoa. Oh. Get it. Whoa. That was us, right? Let's get it! Nice! That was good! Whoa! Oh shoot!
Okay, there we go. That's what I want. Just gonna give you more mobility.
Woo! This music is kind of ominous.
Yeah, it is. It's so